Join me as I dive into the world of hydropower and challenge myself to build a mini hydropower plant generator that can actually power something. In this video, you'll learn about hydropower plants and the impressive generators that turn flowing water into clean, renewable energy. As the demand for sustainable energy grows, traditional energy sources are becoming less viable, and it's clear that we need to think outside the box when it comes to powering our homes, industries, and transportation. One of the most promising alternatives is hydropower, which has been around for over a century, but is still largely underutilized. Hydropower plants can be found in many parts of the world, providing a clean and reliable source of energy to millions of people. But what makes hydropower so special, and how do these plants actually work? The beauty of hydropower lies in its simplicity. Essentially, it's a process that involves harnessing the energy of moving water to generate electricity. And the best part is that it's a renewable resource, meaning it's sustainable and won't run out anytime soon. Unlike fossil fuels, which are finite and contribute to climate change, hydropower is a breath of fresh air in the energy landscape. One of the main advantages of hydropower is its high energy conversion efficiency. In other words, it can generate a lot of electricity from a relatively small amount of water. This makes it an attractive option for countries with ample water resources, such as Norway or Brazil. Despite its many benefits, hydropower still faces some challenges. For one, it requires a significant investment in infrastructure, including dams, turbines, and transmission lines. Additionally, hydropower plants can have an impact on local ecosystems, such as altering habitats or disrupting water flows. Explore how hydropower plants harness the energy of flowing water, the mechanics of the generators involved, and the technology that makes it possible. At the heart of every hydropower plant is a massive generator, which converts the kinetic energy of moving water into electrical energy. The generator itself is a marvel of modern engineering, consisting of powerful turbines that spin at incredibly high speeds. As the water flows through the turbines, it causes them to rotate, which in turn drives the generator to produce electricity. The electricity is then transmitted to the power grid, where it can power everything from homes to factories. But what's even more fascinating is the technology that makes it all possible. Hydropower plants rely on advanced sensors and monitoring systems to optimize energy production and minimize environmental impact. These systems allow operators to adjust water flows, turbine speeds, and generator outputs in real time, ensuring maximum efficiency and reliability. From the control room to the turbine hall, every component of a hydropower plant is designed to work in harmony, generating clean and sustainable energy for thousands of people. Whether it's powering a small town or a major city, hydropower plants are quietly doing their part to reduce our carbon footprint and mitigate climate change. Discover the fascinating moment when water turns turbines, creating electricity, and understand the impact this has on communities and the environment. The moment when the water flows through the turbines is truly mesmerizing, as the kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy in a split second. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to harness the power of nature. Every kilowatt-hour of electricity generated by a hydropower plant means one less kilowatt-hour produced by fossil fuels, resulting in a significant reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. And as the world shifts towards cleaner energy sources, hydropower is playing an increasingly important role. The impact of hydropower on local communities can be significant, providing jobs, stimulating local economies, and improving energy security. In many cases, hydropower plants have also become popular tourist attractions, offering a glimpse into the fascinating world of renewable energy. To sum up, hydropower plants play a crucial role in providing renewable energy and reducing our carbon footprint. Whether it's powering homes, industries, or transportation, hydropower has the potential to make a significant impact in the fight against climate change. If you enjoyed learning about hydropower, be sure to check out our other videos on renewable energy solutions and share your thoughts in the comments below.